In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Whether you're a project manager looking to streamline your workflow or someone just exploring new productivity tools, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process of setting up and using Gantt charts effectively in ClickUp. A Gantt chart is an essential project management tool that helps you visualize your project schedule and track progress over time. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the ClickUp website. So open your preferred web browser and head over to the ClickUp login page. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the login button. Make sure you have your login details ready so that you can access your ClickUp account effortlessly. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the specific folder or list where you intend to create your Gantt chart. This is crucial because each folder or list represents a specific project or task category in ClickUp, and having everything organized is the foundation of efficient project management. Next, you'll need to add a new view to your project. To do this, locate and click on the plus view button, which you can typically find above your task list. ClickUp offers a multitude of views, but for our purpose today, click on the Gantt option from the list. By selecting this, ClickUp will automatically generate a Gantt chart view for the selected project or task list. You'll start to see a timeline that displays all the tasks, giving you a clear overview of your project's progress. Once your Gantt chart is created, it's important to save this view for future reference, and so you can reuse it whenever you need to assess your project's timeline. ClickUp allows you the flexibility to switch between list, board, and Gantt views at any point, making it a dynamic tool for all your project management needs. This adaptability ensures you can choose the best view according to the specific demands of your project at any given time. Now, you have successfully created a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Feel free to explore the detailed functions within your Gantt view, such as setting dependencies between tasks, adjusting timelines, and sharing the chart with your team to improve collaboration. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with ClickUp's interface and features, the more efficiently you can manage your projects. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more ClickUp tips and other productivity tutorials. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.